discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
So I do YouTube videos, I don't know if you know. Could you tell me real quick what I was in here?
Alright, I got MD8K, HD3K, and 440x4. 100 amp hour lithium, 2 X15s, 4 PRV Neos in the doors, 6s, and then these PRV Super Tweets.
Okay. Do you know the specs on the enclosure?
Yeah, it's 8 cubes net, 235.
35? Okay. Did you ever meter it?
Yeah, I did a 152.47 at 37.
Really? Okay. Are you happy with it?
No, I'm going to C-pillar it off. I'm waiting on another X15.
Okay.
But I don't want to be without music. You know?
Yeah. Oh yeah, I understand. All right.
You want it sealed?
Whatever's loudest.
I'd say sealed probably.
Okay.
Soda, and I sell so many chickens, think I work for Kroger.
All good, yes sir. Thanks for the demo, man. What was your name again?
Yes sir, Kyle.
Kyle.
I can open the back.
Yeah, I would love to see it, man. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.